the vectors. We're going to talk about what we call the vectors. Can you see the screen?
Yes. Yes.
So what is a vector? If someone can ask you, what is a vector? Hello? Okay, let's say we're talking about the vectors and the scalars. Let's say we're talking about the vectors and scalars. After this topic, we can be able to answer your assignment. So let's say we're talking about the vectors and the scalars. So what is a scalar? What is a scalar?
It's a quantity that has a magnitude only.
It's a physical quantity that has magnitude only. As an example, like what? Like a speed, volume, or energy, density, mass and time. That's one. Those things have got a what? A magnitude only. I will start together. So let's talk about what we call now a vector. What is a vector? Is a
Physical quantity that has magnitude and direction.
It's a physical quantity that have got what?
Magnitude and direction.
That have got a magnitude and direction. Oh, good.
Yes.
So is a physical quantity that has both magnitude. There's a person who just joined the class now, Karao. Sorry to remove you, Karabo. You will join when your mic is off. I say it is a what? The physical quantity that have got both magnitude and direction. Are we fine? E.g.,
Yes.
what is the example of this?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. You will see when we're talking about the acceleration, it will be like this. What is this? It shows that it's a vector. It has got a direction. All together. Acceleration, force, and whatever you will see on the force, they will be like this. How good. And
Yes.
what is velocity, many things, etc. and other things that you know. I will find. Hello?
Yes, you are fine.
Yes.
Okay. So now we know that we can represent our vector in a geometric notation. So, but now let's say we're talking about a vector. Let's say we're talking about the vector. When we are talking about the vector, we've got a vector that we call we've got a vector that we call a zero vector. We've got a vector that we call a what? A zero vector. We've got a vector that we call a zero vector. What is a zero vector? If someone says define a zero vector, this is a vector this is a vector which its magnitude is equal to 1. It's a vector which its magnitude is equal to what? Is equal to 1. I will still together. Hello?
Yes. Yes.
No, it's not equal to 1. Sorry, it's equal to 0. Don't know where did I get that one. It's a vector which its magnitude is equal to 0. Let's say we've got two vectors. In example, let's say vector A in a summary, in the way that I want you guys to understand everything, né? So that because the reason is not to just to teach you and flowing while you don't understand what we are talking about, because if we just flow, you have a problem. Our good.
Yes.
Yeah, because some of the people they just understand, they don't even want to understand about that. So we said a zero vector is denoted as 0, right? It's a vector in a given vector space that has a magnitude of 0 and no specific direction. Are we still together?
Yes. Yes,
Let's
sir.
say, as an example, the magnitude, let's say, of this vector A is equal to 0. This is a 0 vector. Are we fine?
Yes.
So two vectors are equal if they have same magnitude, if they've got the same magnitude and direction. Two vectors are equal if they have same magnitude and direction. That's why we will say two vectors are what? Are equal. Are we good?
Yes.
So now, let's talk about the magnitude. Before we talk about the magnitude, let's say we have got a vector V, which is nothing but equals to xi plus yj plus A Z plus ZK. Are we good? So magnitude of that one is nothing but denoted by this one. Are we good? This is nothing but the square root of the coefficient squared plus the other one. This is for 3 by 3 plus this one squared. This is the what? The magnitude of vector V. Are we good?
Yes. Yes.
If we've got a, let's say, vector P is nothing but given by 3I minus 2J. So the magnitude, let me write magnitude. The magnitude of this vector is going to be denoted by what? By this. Then this is equals to the square root of what? Of the coefficient, 3 squared plus minus 2 squared. Then you get what? Square root of 18. Is it difficult?
No.
Hello?
No, it's
No.
not.
Can we proceed? Guys, can we proceed?
Yes.
Okay. So can you guys please find the magnitude of this? Let's say we've got a vector R, which is given by 3I plus 4J. May you please find the magnitude? So, can someone please try Connor?
Sir?
What is the magnitude? We're going to say magnitude, then we put absolute value.
Magnitude of
Then this is equals to what?
3 squared.
3
Minus 4
squared
squared.
plus 4 squared.
4
Then what did you get?
5.
square root of 5.
We get 5 units. So is it difficult to get the magnitude?
No, it's not.
Okay, now let's move to what we call the unit vector. Let's move to what we call the what? The unit vector. What do you understand by the unit vector? Unit vector. What do you understand by the term unit vector? Hello? Guys, let's share our brain. A unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is equal to 1. It's a vector whose magnitude is equal to what? 1. Are we good? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
So now, if we're saying as an example, let's say our R is a unit vector, are we good? Which is given by xi plus yj, we good? Therefore, the unit vector is nothing but equals to R divided by the magnitude of R. Do you see that? Well, this is nothing but what? Our R is xi plus yj, right? Then divided by what is the magnitude of R is the square root of those ones, x squared plus y squared. Did you get it? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Can we go to the next slide?
Yes, we can.
Is there anyone who is left behind? Okay. Let's take an example and see if we will remunerate a unit vector. Find the unit vector. Let's say we're given B is equals to, can you come with your favorite numbers? My good people,
6.
6, I. Next person,
17
guys, sorry,
plus 3i.
okay, let's choose minus. Minus 3i. Are we good? It can be I, ne? The following is J. Are
Oh,
we
yeah.
fine?
Yes.
Okay, now let's go and find the unit vector. We're going to say what? Unit vector is going to be equals to what? Our vector divided by its magnitude. We're good. Then this
Yes.
is nothing but equals to what? 6i minus 3j divided by what? By the square root of 6 squared minus, not minus, but plus into minus 3. You see, to put things in brackets, it really helps. Then what did you get? We get 6i minus 3j divided by what? Hello? Guys, you don't know how to press the calculator.
Square root of 45.
You get
Square root of,
square root of 45.
yes.
This is nothing but square root of 45. Square root of 45 for my people who don't know how to press it. So if you want to proceed with this one, you can say this is 6 if that one on the denominator can divide. Divided by 45i minus 3 divided by square root of 45j. Did you see that? Only if
Yes.
you can proceed with it. Are we good?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's say now you're given this. Good people come with the numbers. Okay, let me check something for you. Yeah, you can come with a number. May you please come with a prime number, even number, not odd. May you please come with an even number? Okay, let me just come with them. I will say let me say 6. Okay, let me say 12i minus no. If I say 12i minus that, it means our number won't or correspond. Our good.
Yes.
I want the number that we will end up dividing, but it's the same. Let us not work for the corresponding. If we're not doing for that, then let's say 2i. Our 2i minus or plus 4j, then minus, let's say 2k. You see, this one is for 3. Are we still together? Now we need the what? Unit vector. So we're going to say unit vector is nothing but equals to vector A divided by its magnitude. Are we good?
Yes.
Whereby this is nothing but what is our vector A? Is 2i plus 4j minus 2k. Are we good? Then divided by what is the magnitude of that is square root of what? Of 2 squared plus 4 squared plus again. The last one is minus 2 squared. Then when you press your calculator, you're going to get what? And then I'm just going to press the calculator first. Kone Mapula Madua Raganya.
Sir?
Let's press the calculator.
4.6.
One
We
away.
get 4. 4. Got 4.
You got 4.
Yeah.
Myself, I didn't get 4. Why did you get 4?
I get 2 to the power 2 is 4, and then we have 4 to the power
Press
2 16.
everything. Press
Oh, okay. Now
everything.
I made a mistake. I made a mistake there.
I said press everything. Don't go one by one.
I
Don't use
didn't.
your brain.
I just used a wrong sign.
Yeah. You have a... So I said if you can proceed, what do you do? You're going to say what? 2i divided by 2 root to 6, right? Plus 4j divided by 2 root 6. This is I just wrote it. Then and the exact 2k divided by what? 2 root 6. But you can see that if you simplify, this is something that is cancelling. It's like you are left with 1 over root of 6i, right? Plus 2 over root of 6j minus 1 over root of 6k. Do you see that? My good people?
Yes. Mara zwi tovha must uri ndi divide.
Please try to use English to accommodate others. Guys, she was
Is it?
asking if it is a must for her to continue to solve this solution. So she was asking that is it a must that she proceed with the solution? No, it's not a must. You can even stop here. Angagumane, but so now let's proceed. Let's talk about the addition and the subtraction of the vectors. We only add or subtract the vectors that have got the same size. Are we good? We only add or subtract the vectors that have got the same size. Are we still together? Same size, we mean what? If this vector is R, we're saying our vector is R, and our R is like this, plus ZK. And we have got our vector M, which is nothing but, let's say, AI plus BJ only. We can't add those two vectors. They are not for the same size. The first one is for 3. The second one is for 2. Did you see that?
Yes.
So now, as far as we are concerned, let's say we have our vector A, which is nothing but equals to xi plus yj. I will go. So, and vector B is equals to pi plus qj. So ourselves here we need vector A plus vector B. So this is nothing but going to be equals to, we've got our xi plus yj plus, this is the first vector, plus the second vector is pi plus qj. Are we good? So the one for I, we are going to place it next to each other. The one for I, we're going to place it next to each other, and the one for J, we're going to place them next to each other. Are we still together? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Then this is nothing but we're going to take out the common factor of I. It means we've been left with x plus p I. Then plus here we take the common factor of j. Then we will be left with y plus q j. Is there any question? Including the minus, it is going to work like that. Or we want us to do a minus. Let's say a1. Let's say we are going to have what? We're going to have vector A minus vector B. Then this is equals to what? Xi plus yi minus pi plus qj. Here is j. So now we're going to say what? The first one minus the first one plus the second one minus the second one. It's like we have removed the brackets. Can you see? Then we take out the common factor. And then when you remove the brackets, that one is going to multiply that one. Oh, good.
Yes.
This is x minus p I plus y minus q j. Do you see that?
Yes.
Can we proceed?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do an example and see. Let's say you're given that let's say you're given a vector A, which is equals to, let's say you're given a vector A, which is nothing but equals to 5i plus 4j, and vector B, which is nothing but equals to minus 4i plus j. They say calculate number A, find number A. Let's say they want you to find A minus B or A plus B. This is equals to what? Is 5i plus 4j, right? And plus minus 4i plus j. Do you see that?
Yes.
Then we group next to each other. This is minus 4j. This is minus 4i, sorry. Minus 4i and plus 4j plus j. Then you know what we do. 5i minus 4i is 1i. Is that so? Then plus 4i plus j, 4j plus j is 5j. Did you see that?
Yes.
You want us to do the one for minus? Hello?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's say we've got a
Yes.
minus b. So this is nothing but going to be equals to our a is 5i plus 4j, and minus our b is minus 4i plus j. Then when we remove the brackets at that side, we're going to have the following: plus 4i minus j. So when we group the like terms, this is 5i plus 4i, which is 9i. Did you see that? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
we have got 4j minus 1j is 3j. Is it difficult?
No.
Then we
No.
proceed.
Yes.
Okay. Can we go to the next slide?
Yes.
So now, as far as we are concerned, let's talk about what we call a multiply vector by scalar. Let's say scalar multiplication of vector. Scalar multiplication of a vector. So let's say we have a vector A, which is nothing but equals to xi plus yj. Are we good? Remember, a vector can be even 3. It's up to them. Are we good? But now we're dealing with the 1 for 2. And they say we're going to find ourselves, if we've got 2a, then this is equals to 2. Our a is what? It's xi plus yj. Did you see that? Then this is nothing but going to be equal to our 2 is going to multiply everything which is inside the what? Bracket. Do we have any question? No?
No question.
No question.
Okay. So let's say we've got, as an example, let's say we've got a vector A, which is nothing but equals to 4i plus 5j, and vector B is nothing but equals to minus 2i. Let's say we said minus j, let's say minus 3j. And those people, they say find. Number A, they said 2, let's not use 2, 3a or minus b. Can you see that? So this is equals to 3. What is our a? What is our a? This is equals to 3 into our a is 4i plus 5j. Then minus our b is minus 2i minus 3j. Is that so? Then which is nothing but equals to 12i plus 15j. Then plus, and then that negative is multiplying everything that is inside the brackets. Did you get it?
Yes. Yes.
Then we group the like terms. 12i plus 2i is nothing but what?
14i.
Is 14i. 15j plus 3j, 18j. Is it difficult?
No. No.
No.
Can we proceed?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now, let's say you are given this. Okay, let's say they say determine the magnitude of a given vector R, which is nothing but equals to, let's say, minus 7i minus 3j. How do we get the magnitude of that one?
Magnitude equals to magnitude of R equals to square
Magnitude
root of
R is equals to
square root of
square root of, sorry,
negative 7
negative 7 squared
plus
plus
negative 3 squared.
negative 3 squared. Then what is your final solution?
Square root of 58.
Square root of
58.
58.
58.
Yes. So guys, is this thing difficult?
No. No.
No.
You said that you were just crying for me for nothing. You guys love crying. You.
For now,
Let's proceed. So now, can we proceed? You guys, I love you. Shem. Can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, bring happiness. So now let's say determine the unit vector. Determine the unit vector. Unit vector R if our R is nothing but equals to 6I minus 8J. We're going to say what? Unit vector is equals to what? R over magnitude of what? Of R. Is that so?
Yes.
Which is equals to 6I minus 8J divided by what? Square root of 6 to the power 2 plus minus 8 to the power 2. Then what did we get?
10.
We get 10. Just like that.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So if we can proceed, even though someone has already said, I won't proceed, master, don't tell me about proceeding. If you want to start there. Then minus 8 over 10J. So when we simplify this is what? 6 over 10 is what? It's nothing but 3 over 5, right?
Yes.
Minus, and 8 over 10?
It's 4 over 5.
4 over 5. Then you are done. Hello?
Yes.
You know, proceed.
Yes.
So now, as far as we are concerned, or let's say you're given those vectors, we're given vector A, which is equals to, let's say 2I plus 3J plus, I told you that a vector can come with a 4 dimension, a 3 dimension is that one. And your vector B is equals to I minus 2J plus 3K. Are we good?
Yes.
So now, they say find. When they say M, they mean meter, né? We're good.
Mm-hmm.
They say M. M. This M stands for what?
Meter.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Then our A, they say A. What is this? If you see someone writing this, what is this?
Magnitude of vector A.
Is the magnitude of vector A. That's so perfect. Then this is nothing but going to be equals to, we get the magnitude. This is the square root of what? Of 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 plus the magnitude for B, square root of 1 to the power of 2 plus minus 2 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of 2. Then you remunerate your calculator. What is the magnitude of this one first? The magnitude of the first one, guys. Why imwara ingapedzi?
Root of 29.
Square root of 29. Then the next one.
Root of 14.
Root of 14. I will store together.
14.
Hello?
Yes.
Then this is your final solution. Or else you can bring it to commas. And you get 9 comma what? 1, 3, m. Yes. Are we good?
Yes.
Then we proceed.
Yes.
We can't do the one for minus, is the same. Are we good?
Yes.
And then it's just that it's going to change the sign here. Then here. Then you press your calculator. We are fine.
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are fine.
Then we proceed to the next slide.
Yes.
Let's say now they said in B, they want you to find plus B. Can you see? Then this is nothing but what? Equals to, you first add those vectors, right?
Yes.
Then it means you've got 2i plus what? 3j plus 4k. Then you say plus, the next vector is what? We can put it in a bracket so that it can make sense. I minus 2j. Okay. I forgot that I've got the next class, but they will wait 10 minutes. Plus 3k. We're good, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So, Anne, this was our vector. Hello?
Hmm?
And now we know our vectors A and B. And then we copied the correct one. Now we know what we are doing. We're going to add the 1 and the 1. Is that so? And then here, this is not minus, whereby we have to remove the bracket.
So we can't hear you anymore.
How about now? You can't hear me. Hello? Guys?
No, I can hear. I don't know for others.
Then this is nothing but 3i. 3j minus 2j is j, right? 4k plus 3k is 7k. This is a lot. 7k. Is that so?
Sorry to disturb, but so we can't hear you. I don't know if it's the network or just
Don't say we. Say I can't hear you. Log out and log in first. Then what is now we can find the what? What we were asked. You see that there was no trick here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a matter of following what is being asked. Then what is our solution? Hello?
Square root of 59. Square root of 59.
Square root of 59.
Yeah.
This is the spirit of 15. Any question?
No question.
Due to time, I think we have to end here. So next time when we meet, I'm going to talk about the dot product, and I'm going to talk about the angle between. Then we're going to talk about the cross product. Then we're done with the vectors. It means our class will be tomorrow. Then we're done with the vectors. Then after that, we remunerate the assignment. And after that, we're done with everything. We move to what we call the limit. I'll find.
Yes.
Yes.